birthday, Axel! Vitas, misses you!
Hi Ax, good afternoon na diri, nice kayong place. Ax, wala ko lang mo sulti, mingaw na may kaya ninyo. And we hope, high hopes sa tanan-tanan, and all the prayers are always with you. Happy birthday from the bottom of our hearts. Happy birthday, Ax. See you soon.
Hi Ax! Musta? Happy birthday di ay! Surprise na ni! Requested din si mong pinakapalangga nga girlfriend si Krishna. Sorry if wala mi dira karon to personally greet you. Pero sige lang. Hopefully sa coming years mas kato na natin ni maka-celebrate ka pohon kuyog nata. Amping mo din na Ax, pingaw namin ninyo. See you. Happy birthday my friend. Enjoy.
We wish you many happy returns of the year.